Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is agricultural waste. So students, let us first go through what all we'll be covering in this particular topic. We'll be studying about the various agricultural practices, and due to these practices, what are the various agricultural waste which are generated. So let us begin. Students, agriculture includes practices like soil cultivation, then we have crop production, and then we have raising of farm animals and many other types of practices. All these different practices involved in agriculture leads to formation and generation of different type of waste products. So let us take a look at agricultural waste. Students, first we have agricultural residues. Now what exactly is meant by this? These are parts of the plants which are left after getting the useful products. Let us take an example. Let us say there is the crop known as wheat. Now what do you think? Which part of the wheat crop is going to be used? Yes students, you are very correct. It is only the grains of wheat. So students, after the grains of wheat are removed, what is left behind are the stems and the husk. This is called as the agricultural residue. These residues, or most of these residues, are generally used for feeding the farm animals. Moving on students, next we have an example known as baggies. What you see here is baggies. It is the leftover part of sugarcane after extraction of all the juice. Students, this baggies can be used in the paper industry to make paper, or it can be also used as firewood. Moving on students, it can be also used for making manure, which can be used in agriculture.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.